I'm so excited to take part in something so awesome this year. It's time for Makers Rock. What's Makers Rock? It's a chance for a bunch of YouTube makers to get together and all work on a similar project, and the best part is you have a chance to win each and every one of them. What's the project? We're all making 90s album covers. I'll tell you what mine is coming up in just a minute. First, I want to tell you about some of the other awesome makers that are taking part in this big giveaway. Matt Haas from Awesome Wood Things, Carl Jacobson, Eloy Escagedo, Jamie Page from JP Woodwork, Sophie Lewis from Make It Soph, Chris Philauer from Wallman Woodshop, Ryan Bitters from Waylight Creations, Zach Mandring from Southern Ginger Woodshop. All of these other makers are making awesome album cover artwork as well. Make sure you subscribe to all of the people who are taking part. A full list down in the description. What am I going to be making? I'm making the cover from the Beastie Boys album Hello Nasty. All the videos are coming out next week. You'll get a chance to see them all and find out how you can win each one of these projects. This community of makers here on YouTube is such an inspiration to me, and I want to share that inspiration with you. It's one of the reasons why I take the time to make videos of the stuff that I'm working on in my wood shop, because I really think that makers help make more makers, and this is a great way for you to get to know some people you may not have heard of before. Makers Rock.